Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Michael here. Like I said, I was going to go ahead and get on live to talk about why blogging is going to be the best investment you make online and with you trying to earn money online. I know this was a little um, more not in advance that I said I would get on today exactly, but this is the time that I have, and I want to fill this in for the next 15 minutes or so. This will be shorter, so just stick with me, bear with me. Has a little got hair all over the place a little bit. Didn't really comb too much of my hair today. But I've been in and out of the house a little bit. You know, we went to get some food earlier in my break time while I was working. And so really, why is blogging the best investment you're going to make for yourself? Why is having a website the best investment you're going to make even more so? Many people who do not only affiliate marketing, but digital marketing, anything else in general, try to go away from the fact that they need an actual real estate place. Real estate meaning your website. Your website is the biggest real estate you're going to have and the biggest investment you're going to make for yourself. That being said, having a blog, starting a blog is going to be even more of a cause. Okay, so the cause is having a website and a blog. The effect is being able to monetize it. And so many people get it mixed up, and so many people who start affiliate marketing or anything else, they really just don't get that part down. It's based the most basic foundation of everything, and you really need a place where long term. And I was making a video earlier. I was, producing a couple videos earlier, and so that's why I'm kind of a little bit tired. I was going to move this for another day, but tomorrow's going to be quite busy. I have content to edit tomorrow, and I have a couple of things I got to do, so I'm going to fit in this time. So bear with me. Blogging can really exponentially, infinitely, um, really increase your earnings online. It can really help you scale and it can really help you monetize as an affiliate, making passive income, not one off sales. Because many people, I teach you and I help you, and I've helped many others understand how to make one off sales versus more, okay? And how to combine niche websites with digital information products. And so, what I really want you to get into your head is that I'm here to help you. I'm here to make sure that if you start a blog, you're going to continuously move forward with it. And all it takes is this guy right here that I have sitting out in front of me. Okay. You see those three numbers right at the bottom in all the corners? That's it. All you need is an investment of under $100 or $100. I'm not saying here, feed me money so I can, that's not the point of this. What I'm telling you is that for under $100, you can have a blog up and running. You can have a website, your domain, your WordPress blog, your content on the blog, and you can start monetizing it as soon as you get everything in place. The longer you wait, the more your competitors are jumping on board. They're starting their own, or the people that have already been doing this are getting further and further, and you're just waiting behind, looking and seeing if this is for me. And I talk to many people that don't even respond back sometimes, and I'm like, they want to change or don't they? They're intentionally saying they want to join something, but they never. It's like never following through, or I don't have to go around and chase anybody. I'm not gonna do that. Whether you want to do it or not, it's part of your time. And like me, I want to invest my time in the people who want to change, to people who want to make an extra 100, 200, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000. I'm not going to say how much I'm making. This is more of for me, it's more of a scientific approach to things and data than giving you an actual amount. I'm doing well for myself, but I want you guys to understand that underneath $100 is all it takes. Getting a domain, getting your hosting package, getting the right training, okay, the right training, and then having your email autoresponder If you decide to go the landing page route with WordPress, you can just use a free version, Elementor, Builder, and so many more other ones. And then if you want to invest more time into that, things like Thrive themes, um, ClickFunnels is something very doable down the road. But I make sure you do this also sequentially because I've been in that journey. Excuse me. I haven't just skipped one place to the next. I've actually done everything the way I need to do it. And if you are somebody who thinks you can just skip over, then it's just going to be detrimental. I plan on it being a discontinuous process, and you're not going to elevate. Okay, I want you to come up here. You're probably down here. You're probably up here. You're probably up here already, but you just need to get over that level. You just need to still get over those little humps, right? You need to get over those little uh, maximum and minimum points, and then you can get to where you want to be. But that's all it takes. It takes underneath $100. It's an investment. It's not wasting your money. It's not a sunk cost, not economically sunk cost. I had the same perception when I started. I said, okay, I'll start with Wix, Weebly, or start with these other ones, WebNode, all these other ones that think, I'm going to just start something for free and then put some content up and then people are going to come to my blog. That's not how it works. There are platforms like I've mentioned before. If you're already a part of them, Wealthy Affiliates offers you a free domain and websites, a .site rubrics account, and even more of them. And then if you choose to upgrade that existing one to a paid one, which is normal, this is something you do with anything else. You get a domain and you charge for it. And then they have the best hosting package out there. So you can't go wrong with that. Okay. Obviously, if you grow over time to more visitors, which was happening with me, you want to also think about other um, more hosting packages where it's more of an individual propriety. But don't worry about that so much at the beginning. And so really, this is going to be the best investment you make for yourself. It's better than putting it into the stock markets. It's better than putting it into real estate. It's better than putting it into any other thing, really. Anything that people are going to tell you, put your money here, put your money there. But I'm telling you this right now, a blog is the best investment. And I can give you, I just gave you 3 ones right there. And then people will tell you that, look, put your money here, do it like this. But it also depends on what you're looking for, what you're interested in. You're here because you want to learn about affiliate marketing, right? You want to learn how to make a legitimate passive income. And I'm trying to help you get there. I'm trying to help you understand that I'm not here for your money. I'm here to make sure you actually have everything that you need. Quite in fact, so I have my own affiliate marketing course that I offer all for free. This isn't even a charged course. And I give you so much more secrets in there, so much more advanced stuff in there that I could be charging, but I don't. And I talk about also my own journeys within I'll also show you more about my own Amazon niche websites on and off it within my other business too. And I expose you to all that. So I have to make sure that you get this thing down. And so really under $100, you can have real estate. You can start putting content on there, doing the training the way you're supposed to be doing it, and getting people over to your content. They click on a link, an affiliate link that's related, whether that be to Amazon, whether that to be ShareAsset, whether that to be a ClickBank JVZoo, which might sound a little unfamiliar, but over time you'll get to understand these, and they'll become very relevant. And just really helping people in general. There's no better cause than doing that. I know, I'm not because I'm a millennial, whatever generation I'm coming through. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you're helping people out there, and a lot of this, in our world right now, we're gearing towards more helping people. It's great to be a software engineer. It's great to be an engineer. It's great to be a mathematician. But there's no better feeling than helping somebody, educating somebody, and then having somebody purchase from you because you're solving their pain points. And that's the ultimate goal I want to get you to. And know this, that, I actually released a video on my YouTube channel. So I have my comment in the YouTube, for the YouTube. I released how long does it take to earn money with affiliate marketing? And it's going to explain everything you need to. It's a very lengthy video. Plan on spending some time on it, but it has everything that you need. So yeah, a blog, you cannot substitute it. It's more of a complementary feature. Whether you're blogging on it, whether you're I recommend you blog on it and learn those skills. I come from more of a mathematical mindset, built a health and wellness website all from my own experiences and what I learned and how I educated myself to learn it. I was always one chapter ahead of the next person. That's how I became the expert in my industry. And that's how I was able to maximize my profits. I have videos on YouTube. I didn't even think I'd show my face on YouTube. When I went from blogging to YouTube, I never showed my face. I'm still an introverted person. I've always been an introverted person, just more extroverted ambivert. And so, really, those videos are ranking on. They're actually, I have a couple of them. They're on page one, and it's actually the very first one, over thousands and thousands of views. And I'm very grateful of that. And that's how you can earn. If you're looking at earning from the technology, the supplements, the nutrition, the ergonomics, outdoors, uh, doesn't matter. There's always a plan, and there's a strategic plan for all this. And the way you do it is by um, people invest into people. So you need to understand how to leverage that. Whatever affiliate program you go to, um, it's your hook, your story, and your offer all have to line up. And so that can be systematized, so you can do it again and synthesize it for other affiliates and other ventures you have in. So having that said, again, I don't want to take too much more time, but underneath $100 really, to get started and to get producing, and go check out the YouTube channel that I have. I have the different platforms like that I talk about within you guys, which is ClickFunnels, Wealthy Affiliates, the CBD oil networks. Doesn't matter. That's going to be all in there, and it's all going to be included. I also have blog post reviews about them. But if you have more questions, make sure you leave me a comment here. You already know my email address, michael@virohomebasedpursuit.com. Again, recapping, blogging is better than putting your money right now into real estate, putting your money into a stock market trading, surveying. It's way better than any of that. In fact, you can actually make a blog about surveys, and then people can come and click on those, and you get paid for commissions like that. There's just so many ways that I won't go into that in depth, because that's not what this is about. But it's always great to have the right training. Okay, come into this with the mindset that you're going to better yourself, you're going to better your family, you're going to better your spouse, you're going to better your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. You're going to make yourself better, but in the process, you're going to transform, and you're also going to make other people much, much more better. To me, it's an addicting thing to be on, the whole digital marketing thing, not just affiliate marketing. And I do this every day, and it feels no better. Doesn't matter to me how much money I'm making. Maybe I'm compounding more every single day, bringing more leads in, more traffic. But it doesn't end there. For me, it's about helping others. And there's a point. Okay, look, one of my other platforms, which is ClickFunnels. People, don't publish enough. People think they could just go in there because they see other people making money. They want to start something, and they think it's all going to come to them. They put their links on Instagram. They start an ad, and they think that ad's going to make them money. It might, but it's not long term. Long term is search engine optimization. Long term, it's going to go like this, the way I see it. Search engine optimization, blogging, YouTube. 2, social media, establishment, connection, relationships. 3, paid advertisements. If you can get those 3 down in like that sequence, you're going to do just well. And I know many of you already have joined Wealthy Affiliate, or many of you have already gotten the right training. I teach you too on my side, but really what Wealthy Affiliate can do is they can actually give you much more. Why recreate that if they have that all for you? And it's just a small investment. You get started for free, and then you take up on the training for the first month is $19. That's an investment. That's not you saying, "Damn, I don't." Even if you don't have money and you want to do this, go get more into your active income so you can get prepared to pass that over to your passive. You understand me? And so don't ever feel like you can't do this. When I got started, I had savings, okay? I was able to save money, fortunately. And so I was able to build out my first business at my job. At my job, if you haven't heard about it. So I was able to mind map everything. Everything was up here. I just had to put it all on a spreadsheet. I had to put it all down and mind map the bubbles and connect that. So if I can do it, you can do it. Don't give up. Blogging is going to be the best investment you make. Um, I also have an article on how to start your WordPress blog. If you want more information on that, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Um, just always know that somebody is out there looking to solve their problem, and you're going to be the bridge to it. You're not exactly, don't think you're the bridge to making money. Think you're the bridge to solving this person's pain points. You have cold traffic out there, you have warm, and you have hot traffic. And this is stuff that I even talk about. It's in my free course. I break that up even more. And this is stuff I teach people also on the side of those who join me. And those who are not even a part, who sign up with me, it doesn't matter. I still go out there and make sure you have that information. So that's it. You have this right here underneath $100, domain, hosting, starting your blog, getting training, okay, training. And then it's all an investment. Don't look at this as you're going to ride this out for free 110%. You should be able to say, look, I'm going to put down this much time, and I'm not going to expect too much in return the first month or two, and go for it. I say this over and over again, and I tell people this on a daily basis. People coming into my emails, people asking me questions on Instagram, people asking me questions all over the place. And, I get more of a sense of who is determined and who is not. Those who are determined say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and do it. Don't ask questions. And I love people who ask questions. It's just people who say, okay, I've joined, I'm doing this. I want to make a living from home, from my laptop. I want to be able to spend more time. I'm going to be going back to California sometime soon. I'm not an emotional person, but I could have cried out there because I hadn't been back home in 5 years. I went back home as a whole different person. And thank God I was able to, because this has given me that foundation to do it. And so discipline yourself, stay focused, go create that blog. If you're not a blogger, there's YouTube. But if you're not either one of them, you learn those skills. That's what I love about not having to outsource my stuff. Is I love being in control of the things that I'm uncomfortable with. If you can put yourself in an uncomfortable place and become good at those skills, boom, you're done. You're good. Trust me. Don't question me, because I know that's going to happen. I was in that position. I was putting out blogging content, over 100 articles on one of my blogs, and in less than a year, in less than 6 months, and I was getting traffic, and all because I was able to focus on the skills that I wasn't good at, things that I was very uncomfortable with. I became very good at. Okay, so that's it. That's all I want to leave you with. I know I spent more than 15 minutes. I said it would be short. Actually, technically, if I average out all my other videos, this is one of the shorter ones. But that's all I want to leave you with. Thanks for being here. Sometimes I can't see who's on. I don't know if you're watching this right now, but should be showing up there. But that's it. You guys have a great week. And if I don't go ahead and cover the other video, what I was going to talk about, I'll move that on to next week. Over delivering and under delivering. If I don't get on tomorrow, could be moved on to next week. All right, guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.